Hello students, so this is your next video on the chapter Factors and Multiples. In this video, I am going to teach you properties of HCF and LCM of given numbers. Now, the first property is the HCF of a group of numbers is not greater than any of the given numbers, right? For example, there are two numbers 36 and 40. So the first property says that the HCF of the number is not greater than any of the given numbers. It can be three numbers also, चाहे दो हो या तीन हो, इन तीनों का HCF it will not be greater than any of the numbers. ना ही वो 36 से बड़ा होगा, ना ही 40 से, ना ही 16 से. Now what is the second property? The second property says that HCF of two co-primes is 1. As I have already explained you, co-primes are the numbers which are having HCF as 1. तो co-prime जैसे 36 and 7 they are co-primes. तो इनका किसी भी co-prime का जब हम लोग HCF निकालते हैं, when we are finding out the HCF of two co-primes, the answer will be always 1. Right students? Now the LCM of a group of numbers is not less than any of the given numbers. Like if you are asked to find the LCM of 16, 40 and 36, it will never be less than 36, 40 और 16. जो भी LCM आएगा it will be more than these three number. इन तीनों नंबर से वो बड़ा ही होगा, इससे छोटा नहीं हो सकता. Okay students. Now the LCM of two co-primes is equal to their product. अगर कोई दो co-prime number हमने लिए हैं, for example 2 and 7, 2 and 7 are co-primes, तो what will be the LCM? उसका product होगा उनका LCM. So the LCM of 2 and 7 will be 2 multiplied by 7 is equals to 14. So the product will be the LCM of their co-primes. अगर co-primes का HCF निकालना होगा तो what will be the HCF? HCF will be 1. Right students? Now the fifth property, the HCF of a group of numbers is always a factor of their LCM. यानी कि जो हमारा HCF आता है, जैसा कि मैं आपको कल की वीडियो में बता चुकी हूँ, इन येस्टरडेज वीडियो, अगर आपके बहुत बड़े बड़े नंबर्स दिए होते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, HCF निकालते हैं. फर्स्टली आई हैव फाइंड आउट द HCF. तो आफ्टर फाइंडिंग आउट द HCF आई हैव डिवाइडेड इट डायरेक्टली, ताकि मेरा LCM जो है वो ईजी हो जाए और थोड़ा सा जल्दी हो जाए. सो द HCF ऑफ अ ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर इज ऑलवेज अ फैक्टर ऑफ देयर LCM. HCF हमेशा उसके LCM का फैक्टर होता है. So these were the 5 properties that were related to HCF and LCM of given numbers. Okay students, now I am going to explain these things further on the basis of some examples. So please pay attention students. So students, now I am going to explain you 6 property. There are total 6 properties related to LCM and HCF. 5 I have already explained you. So the 6th property says that if there are two numbers, right, if A and B are two given numbers such that A is a factor of B, then their HCF is equals to A and their LCM is equals to B. अब इसका मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझाना चाहूँगी. We all know that 8 is a factor of 32. 8 4s are 32, right? So 8 is a factor of 32. Okay students, now and clearly HCF of 8 and 32. 8 और 32 का HCF क्या है? What is the HCF? HCF is 8. Right students? So this is your 6th property, that is if A and B are two given numbers such that A is a factor of B, then their HCF is equals to A and their LCM is equals to B. इसको हम और examples के through भी समझ सकते हैं. Like 6 is a factor of 6 किसका factor है? 36 का factor है, या 6 is a factor of 54 also, right? So what will be the HCF? HCF of 36 and 6 will be 6. HCF of 6 and 54 will be 6. Right students? तो मतलब जो भी ये सिक्स प्रॉपर्टी सेज दैट अगर A जो है वो B का फैक्टर है तो वो उसका A जो है वो उसका HCF होगा और B उसका LCM होगा. Okay students, now I am going to click the properties image also so that you can understand well. मैं आपको सेंड कर दूंगी दैट इमेज. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द सेवेंथ प्रॉपर्टी एंड दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी. सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन स्टूडेंट्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी, जो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड इट इज़ वेरी यूजफुल एंड इट विल बी यूज फर्दर ऑल्सो इन फ्यूचर. आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में भी इस प्रॉपर्टी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, so the property says that if two numbers are given, then the product of the two numbers is equals to the product of their HCF and LCM. So let's suppose two numbers are given to you, A and B. So the product of A and B means A multiplied by B. That will be equal to the product of HCF of A and B and the LCM of A and B. So the product of A and B is equals to the product of HCF and LCM of A and B. Right students? Now I am going to explain some questions from the exercise to make you understand that. और इसी प्रॉपर्टी से आपके 3-4 फॉर्मूले बनेंगे. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? लाइक A मल्टीप्लाइड बाय B इज इक्वल्स टू HCF मल्टीप्लाइड बाय LCM. तो आपको एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन मिलेगा जिसमें आपको यू हैव टू वेरीफाई दैट कि A और B का प्रोडक्ट उसके HCF और LCM के प्रोडक्ट के बराबर है. देन यू हैव टू यूज दिस. इन सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस व्हाट विल हैपन, आपको A दिया गया होगा, वन नंबर विल बी गिवन टू यू, द वैल्यू ऑफ वन नंबर विल बी गिवन एंड वैल्यू ऑफ अदर नंबर विल बी अननोन, यानी कि आपको B की वैल्यू नहीं पता होगी. देन हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ B? यू विल फाइंड आउट लाइक दिस, HCF मल्टीप्लाइड बाय LCM डिवाइडेड बाय A, बिकॉज ये यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई में था when it came to the right hand side. now it is in divide. okay students, तो यहाँ पे आपको A दिया था, आपको B पता करना था. एक सिचुएशन ऐसी भी आ सकती है कि आपको A दिया हो and you have to find out the value of B. then you have to proceed like this, HCF multiplied by LCM upon B. now another situation can come, आपको दोनों नंबर्स दिए होंगे, आपको HCF भी दिया होगा पर आपको LCM नहीं पता. तो A मल्टीप्लाइड बाय B अपॉन HCF इज इक्वल्स टू LCM. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? बिकॉज दिस HCF वॉज इन मल्टीप्लाई व्हेन इट केम ओवर ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, इट इज इन डिवाइड नाउ. एंड अदर सिचुएशन कैन ऑल्सो कम, आपको A और B दोनों दिए होंगे, साथ में आपको HCF दिया गया होगा बट आपको आपको LCM दिया होगा पर HCF नहीं दिया होगा. तो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू प्रोसीड लाइक दिस, A मल्टीप्लाइड बाय B अपॉन LCM इज इक्वल्स टू HCF. So students, these formulas are very important. These formulas you have to note down in your classwork copy before starting the today's classwork. So students, now I am going to take some questions from exercise to make you understand these formulas, and I am going to use these formulas in the questions which I will be solving. So please pay attention. So students, I am going to solve question number 16 of exercise 2E. I hope you all have done the homework which I have provided you yesterday. So in exercise 2E, I am going to solve question number 16. Which question? Question number 16. For each pair of the numbers, verify that their product is equals to HCF into LCM. As I told you in the property. Now आपको verify करना है कि उन दोनों numbers का product उनके HCF और LCM के प्रोडक्ट के बराबर है, दैट इज इक्वल टू दैट. सो फॉर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व ऑप्शन नंबर 3. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड जो है वो थोड़े से छोटे नंबर्स है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व द थर्ड वन, 490 एंड 1155. सो एज यू कैन सी दैट वी हैव टू नंबर्स A एंड B. आपको A और B दिया गया है तो आप A और B का HCF एंड LCM निकाल सकते हैं. राइट? आप you can easily find out the HCF and LCM of A and B. So firstly, as I told you, it will be easier if you will find out the HCF. तो पहले आप HCF निकालेंगे. So 490 will be divided by 1155. Now 490 ones are 490, 492s are 2 zeros are 2 9s are 18. So here it will be 980. Now I'm going to subtract it. 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. 10 minus 9 is equals to 1. Now this remainder became the divisor, and this divisor is going to become the dividend, as I have told you, explained you earlier also. Now 175 2s are 350. Now I am going to subtract it. We got over here 140. क्या मिला हमको रिमाइंडर में? 140. Now this remainder will become the divisor, and this divisor will become the dividend. Right, students? Now I am going to explain you further. So 140 ones are 140. Now we have got over here 35. As there is no space, तो मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ से solve कर देती हूँ. Now 35 remainder will become the divisor, and this divisor will become the dividend. Now 35 के टेबल में 140 आता है? Yes, you all are right. 35 fours are 140. यानी कि what will be the HCF of these two numbers? The HCF of these two numbers is what? 35. Now it's chance to find out the LCM. So please pay attention, students. So students, now I'm going to find out the LCM. हम लोगों का HCF निकल चुका है, that is 35. तो as I told you, जब आपका HCF निकल जाता है, so what you can do is you can directly start the LCM from 35. Because जो मैंने भी प्रॉपर्टीज एक्सप्लेन की थी आपको, उसमें वन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी वॉज दैट कि HCF इज द फैक्टर ऑफ द बोथ द नंबर्स. तो वो HCF इससे भी डिविजिबल होगा, इससे भी डिविजिबल होगा कंप्लीटली. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड 490 बाई 35. सो टू सेव टाइम मैंने पहले से डिवाइड किया था ये आपका. सो इट विल बी 35 14s are. नाउ when we are going to divide 1155 by 35, it will be 33. Right, students? Now it's easier for us to take the LCM because we have smaller numbers. 2 ones are. Now 3 11s are. 11 ones are. So finally we have got 1 at the end. So what will be the LCM of these two numbers? 35 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. So 35 multiplied by 14, 14 multiplied by, I am multiplying like this, multiplied by 33. Right, students? Now what will be the answer? The answer will be 16,170. What it will be? 16,170. Now we have to verify whether LCM multiplied by HCF is equals to the product of these two numbers. So for that we have to find out the product, यानी कि A multiplied by B. So we have to multiply these two numbers. So please pay attention, students. So students, now the product of two numbers will be 490 multiplied by 1155. So when we are going to multiply it, what will be the answer? Because it is 1 0, यहाँ पे एक 0 है, तो we can simply multiply 1155 by 49, जो कि मैंने multiply किया था. So I have got the answer 56595. What we have got? 56595. That means 56,595. तो लेकिन सिर्फ 49 को मैंने multiply किया था. There is 1 0 also, so I am going to put a 0 over here. So it will be 50. Now it is 5,65,950. So product, so we have got that. Now what we have to do? HCF multiplied by LCM. So what was the HCF? 35. And what was the LCM? The LCM was 16,170. So once we are going to multiply it, we are going to get the same answer. Right, students? It will be 565,950. So 5,65,950. LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. Now I am going to solve the next question for you based on the last important property. So please pay attention, students. So students, now I am going to solve question number 17. 16th में मैंने आपके दो ऑप्शन नहीं सॉल्व किए हैं, ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर सेकेंड. So that is your homework. Now I am going to solve question number 17. So the question number 17 says that the product of two numbers is 2,160 and their HCF is 12, find the LCM. यानी कि दो नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट A multiplied by B is equals to HCF multiplied by LCM. Now the product is 2160 and the HCF is 12 and we don't know what is the LCM. So as this is in multiply it over here, when it will come on the left hand side, it will be in divide. Now we have to simplify it in order to find out the LCM. So now I am going to simplify it. 3 4s are, or I will try it with 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 4 zeros are 0. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 zeros are 0. Now what is the LCM, students? The LCM is 180. So as I told you, अगर इन चारों में से आपको तीन चीजें दी हैं, you can easily find out the value of the fourth one. If 3 values are given to you, you can easily find out the value of fourth one. So I am going to solve question number 19. मैं 18 को छोड़ रही हूँ. I am skipping question number 18. That will be your homework. So now I am solving question number 19. So please pay attention. So students, question number 19 say that the HCF of two numbers is 145 and their LCM is 2175. If one of the number is 725, find the other number. So firstly I am going to write the same line, A multiplied by B is equals to HCF multiplied by LCM. So as per the question, what is the HCF? 145 and what is the LCM? 2175. And one number is given to you, you have to find out the other. तो चाहे आप A की जगह पे 725 लिखें, चाहे B की जगह पे, it's totally up to you. So 725 multiplied by B. Now to find out the value of B, this 725 is in multiply. When it will go on the right hand side, it will be in divide. So I am going to divide it for you. 725. Right students? So 5 1s are 5, 6 7, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Now 145 here and 145 here. Can it be cancelled like this? Yes. So the other number will be 435. Okay students. So now I am going to solve question number 22. 20 and 21 will be your homework. So please pay attention. So students, the question number 22 says that find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leaves 9 remainder in each case. यानी कि हमें सबसे छोटा नंबर निकालना है जो कि आपका 25, 40 और 60 तीनों से क्या हो, जब भी डिवाइड करने पे आपका रिमाइंडर हमेशा 9 आना चाहिए. उस नंबर को जब भी हम 25 से 40 से या 60 से इंडिविजुअली डिवाइड करें, द रिमाइंडर शुड बी 9. अब लीस्ट नंबर पूछा है. लीस्ट मीन्स हमें यहाँ पे क्या निकालना होगा, HCF और LCM. Yes students, you all are right. We have to find out the LCM. Okay student. तो मैं अभी सारे नंबर्स लिख रही हूँ. 25, 40 and 60. It is clearly visible कि ये तीनों numbers 5 से divisible हैं. So I am going to start my LCM by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Again 5, 5 1s are 5, 8 और 12 divisible नहीं है तो ऐसे ही उतार दिया मैंने इसको. Now 2 4s are 12, sorry 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 2s are 2 3s are. Again 1 1 3, last 3 1s are 3. Now what will be the LCM of these three numbers? I have to multiply it for you. So 5 5s are multiplied by 3 times 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to, what will be the product student? So when we are going to multiply all these numbers, the answer will be 600. That means the LCM of 25, 40 and 60 is 600. But the question says that Find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leaves remainder 9. यानी हमारा रिमाइंडर क्या आना चाहिए, 9 आना चाहिए इन ईच केस. जब हमको रिमाइंडर 9 लाना है, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड 9 to 8, then only 9 will be the remainder. क्योंकि when we will divide 600 by 25 तो ये completely divisible हो जाएगा और हमारा जीरो रिमाइंडर आएगा. सेम गोज विथ 40 ऑल्सो एंड सेम गोज विथ 60. इन तीनों से जब हम 600 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो द रिमाइंडर विल बी 0. बट एज पर द क्वेश्चन इट इज़ लीविंग रिमाइंडर 9 इन ईच केस. तो जब 9 रिमाइंडर हर केस में आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स 609 विल बी द नंबर. जब भी आप 609 को 25 से डिवाइड करें या 40 से या 60 से, इन एवरी केस यू विल गेट 9 एज द रिमाइंडर. अगर इसी क्वेश्चन में ऐसे दिया गया होता, लिविंग रिमाइंडर 2, 5 एंड 6 रेस्पेक्टिवली, 2, 5 एंड 6 दिया होता तो 25 के लिए 602, 40 के लिए 605 एंड 60 के लिए 606. हेयर इट इज़ गिवन 9 इन ईच केस, तो यानी तीनों में 9 आ रहा है. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, जो HCF होता था वहाँ पे वी यूज टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर. जो HCF की वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स हमने की थी, इन दैट केस वी यूज टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द रिमाइंडर्स. बट हेयर व्हाट वी डू, we used to add. Okay students, now this was your last question of this video. Now on the basis of these things I am going to give you some questions from the same exercise, that is exercise 2E, and the questions which I have solved in the video are your classwork, and the questions which will be having a tick mark will be your homework. So students, I hope you have understood well. Thank you.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.